Yeah. Yeah, exactly. All right, man. Be safe.
Just pooping that long.
What's that? Oh, I will. All right, bye.
Are we gonna get more?
Looks like 3 to 6 inches. Hey, Alex.
Hi.
Go get your dog.
See, you see? You see?
You got too many dogs.
Hey, baby.
Not so close.
Sonny, Sonny.
These trees are pretty.
You done yet? Well, today is a very annoying day. Our dogs are fighting the snow today. And it's snowed to put
No
today.
traffic at all.
It's raining hot dogs
It's
today.
dead.
Raining. Hey guys, this is a very fun time.
What's-
Stay in the corners.
Don't move, Alex.
Well, she's freezing to death.
Hold on, baby.
It's dark.
And it's very windy, and
Wow.
right now it's snowing on the reporter today.
Oh,
Please
tell me the
keep
newscast.
Today is very snowing, and we're going to be having a rainstorm today, and it's
Rainstorm?
a snowstorm. It's 32 degrees outside. And today,
What happened to your toes?
I just painted them, and
You're fat little toes. Go in the house.
it's very cold.
Go in the house.
Goodbye.
Hi, guys. Hungry?
It's just amazing. Why? How come it can make such a big difference, Jay? Huh? Car has a little bit, so it's sticking just a little bit, huh?
Yeah, but we got driveway. Oh, here comes.
Here comes what?
Hey.
Hi. Are we gonna watch a video tonight?
Say, hi, I'm Mr. Sunny, and I like the snow. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
He's like a little kitty cat.
He's part cat. Probably just soaked. What a mess. Can you imagine what it's going to be like Monday? We're going to work in all this garbage.
They don't melt, don't you think?
Not if it's 30.
Let me see the weather forecast for like here.
I want to go watch it with you.
You have it here? It's just about what you want.
Oh, here comes a car. Here comes a car. See if they read my sign.
Where do they read your sign?
Slow down, dude. Get it. Man.
Hey! Hi guys!
2008.
What is it?
2008.
Hi Bruce.
Storm month.
There. Who's that? Whoa. The kids are sliding down the neighbor's driveway.
I'm doing a trick.
Josh, say hi. Here's Sam.
Here comes Blake.
What?
Where's Blake?
Oh, he's going to the
Josh,
top.
that was good. You got the track on now.
Josh, try to do snowboarding down this driveway.
Make you a bump over here. Hey, Josh. You know, Josh. Josh. You guys need to make a jump right here. That's like the. Then you kind of slow down. Land real hard on the asphalt. You're good to go.
Okay, that's our street. This is our house. It's snowing right now. There's my car. It's Bruce. Look at that. And
Oh! You all right?
somebody fell. I got it on video.
Did you? You didn't see him falling.
I did.
On camera, didn't you?
I did.
$10,000 at funniest home video. That's not that funny. We'll make it funny. Okay, you gotta get out. You gotta hit the ramp, dude. Here. Walk up. This snow's so light that it doesn't. Earlier it was real wet.
Come. Can I try once?
Before the battery dies?
Yeah, I'll try once.
This is fun, Daddy.
Yes, it is. Hey, you like it when it snows?
Yeah.
You won't go very fast, hon.
No, you do actually, Dad.
Okay.
Oh, your parents? Mom and Dad okay?
Yeah, they're surviving.
That was funny. Blake's enjoying it.
Let's come around.
Whoa! There's
Watch me, Mom. Watch me.
Ow, it's so cool.
Oh, be careful.
For the wall, Sam.
Boy, it's pouring down snow.
Look at that.
Oh.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, the car? Oh.
Oh, car.
Car! Car! Brian, stop! Okay, who's there? There's Brian and Blake. Okay.
Oh. Dad and Blake are getting a little more adventurous.
You guys turn!
I know, I just wanted to.
Blake's
turn.
got a great big smile on his face.
I know, it doesn't matter how. There's Daddy. There's Jay.
Can't keep it straight.
Woo!
Is that good, Blake?
I had to dig in there.
That was cheesy, Jay.
Huh?
That was cheesy.
Do it again? Well, I was worried about hitting it.
Blake, is that fun?
You sit down.
Yeah, is that fun?
Is the car coming? No.
Go back up. Okay.
Dad, can I see that?
This road.
Uh-huh.
You bombed on it.
Oh, yeah. The one coming, turning going down, yeah.
Oh, yuck. Don't eat it. What? Don't eat it. That's what the dogs are.
They poop on it, step on it.
I can't feel my heel.
Why?
It's froze.
I wanted to hear the dogs run around some more. Did you leave the gate open for them?
Yeah.
Max. Over here. Call him, Josh.
Oh, sunny out.
It's not sunny. Oh, it's Dad. Dad.
I didn't do anything. Why are you guys blaming me?
That is sick.
That's
Come here, Max.
Mom, he wants you.
What was that?
The icicle's coming off. And the icicle's hanging down at
It's
her.
all icy. Tell her to be careful. She has no way to stop. You gotta put your... Tell her to put her feet on the outside. I don't think that's a good idea.
Come here, Jay. Get your panties on.
Mona. This is day 11. Day 11 of the big snow. Dude, they got a water leak. They got a water leak off their deck. I can't believe they don't hear it. There's no way to get on their deck.
Ooh, wow. What is that, 3 inches?
If your finger's 3 inches, I guess, but I don't know. I mean, this right here was coming off our roof last night. I dumped this like 3 times. So it was just pouring down rain. Now we've got heavy snow. The tree, they lost their tree. We lost a branch. Everything's just covered.
Why don't you get your sweater? You're going to snow.
I did go up there last night.
It's still day 11 at 2:30, 2 o'clock, something like that. Still snowing. Monica's at work. Kids have been out of school for a week, into their second week. There's probably almost a foot of snow. You can tell by that trash can right there. It's crazy. There's my yard. Maxers. Hey. Hey. Hey guys. Hey. Chance. The branches are definitely heavy. And this deck is covered, so you can see the drift. The snow is drifted, and this deck is covered. Let's see. Oh, there's ice in there too. I don't know. It's probably 5 inches in here. And here's our Christmas tree. And our city, village. Our nativity. And our stockings. This is the best tree I think we've ever had. And that's because we've only got 2 gifts under it. I got some extra money. We saved it this year. Just kidding. Kids are having fun. Good kids. Josh and Alex love to eat the snow. Monica's car hasn't been moved for like 2 days, 3 days. It's just frozen. Let's watch them.